students, welcome to my channel English Beacon. In today's video, I will be teaching you modals or modal verbs. I'm sure after watching my video till the end, all your doubts regarding the modals will be cleared. So please stay tuned. So, what are modals? Modals are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs that modify the principal verb in the sentence. A principal verb denotes some action or activity like to play, to study, to sing, to dance, etc. So, a modal verb provides some information about the principal verb in the sentence. It adds to the meaning of the principal verb in the sentence. A modal is used along with the principal verb in the sentence. Let us remember that after a modal, the first form of the verb of the principal verb. So we understand that modals are basically helping verbs, and they provide some information regarding the activity or action mentioned in the sentence. What are the modal verbs in English grammar? There are 10 modals in English grammar and 3 semi-modals. The modals are can, could, may, might, must, shall, will, should, would, ought, used, need, and dare. In this part, I will deal with can, could, may, and must. So please pay attention. Can is a modal which denotes ability, capability, or power. It shows that a person is able to do something. For example, I can run very fast. He can draw very beautifully. Can you solve this sum? In other words, are you able to solve this sum? Do you have the ability to solve this sum? So, can shows power, ability, or capability of a person. Can also shows informal or friendly permission taking. Like, can I take your pen for a while? Can you lend me your mobile phone? When we take someone's permission in an informal or friendly way, we use can. So we see that can is used to show ability and also to take friendly permission. Do not forget that modals are used in diverse ways. They have multiple uses. A particular modal may be used in diverse ways. Now, let us try and understand could. Could is the past tense of can. In other words, could also shows power, ability or capability in the past tense. Take for example, he could not go to school yesterday. In other words, he was not able to go to school yesterday. I could not pass the entrance test, or I did not have the ability to pass the entrance test. So could shows one's ability, capability, capacity or power in the past time. Mohan said that he could do that work. Now in this sentence, said is in the past tense, so we have to use could, the past tense of can, to show Mohan's ability to do that work in the past. Could is also used to indicate the possibility of an incident or of an activity in the present. It could rain very heavily this evening. This sentence means that there is a high possibility of a heavy rain this evening. Could shows present possibility. India could win this year's World Cup. Although could is the past tense of can, it is used to show the present or future possibility. So we understand that this is a unique use of could. It shows the present and future possibility of an activity. Could is also used to make a polite request. For example, could you please lend me some money? Could you please tell me the way to the railway station? When we speak to strangers or honorable people, we use could to make a polite request. Now, could is also used to express a heart's wish, a wish that you harbor in your heart. For example, I wish I could fly. I wish I could see you now. So it's a heartfelt wish, and could expresses a wish or imagination. So we learn that could has various uses. It's used in the past tense for can. Could also shows present or future possibility of an action. Could is used to make a polite request, and could expresses a heart's wish as well. So that's it for could. Now I'm going to talk about another modal, may. May is also a very important modal. It shows present and future possibility just like could. However, may indicates a strong possibility. There are dark clouds in the sky. It may rain anytime. He may be sick, so he hadn't come to school. So now we see that may shows a strong present or future possibility. May is used to make a guess also. He may be sick. This is my guess. He may be sick, so he hasn't come to school. May is also used to take a polite permission. Can is used for an informal or friendly permission taking, but may is used to take a polite permission. May I come in, sir? May I know your name, please? So if you want to sound polite or humble, you should use may. So may is used to take a polite permission. May is also used in optative sentences to express a blessing or a prayer. For example, may you live long. This is blessing. May God bless you. If may is used at the start of an optative sentence, it expresses a blessing or a curse or a prayer. May is also used to denote the purpose of an action, to show a purpose. I am working hard so that I may be successful in my life. He is saving money so that he may start his new business. So that he may start. This is the purpose. And thus we see that may shows the purpose of an action. To sum up, may is used to show a present or future possibility, a strong possibility in the present. May is used for polite permission taking. May is used in optative sentences to denote a blessing or a curse or a prayer. And may is also used to show the purpose of an action. Now, what about might? Might is the past tense of may. Might is used in the context of the past time. For example, he said that he might come to my house that day. Now, said shows the past time. It is in the past tense. So in the same sentence, we have to use the past tense of may. It's here might is showing the past possibility of someone's coming to my house. He said that he might come. There was a possibility of his coming to my house in the past. So clearly might is the past tense of may. Might is also used to show a weak or very distant possibility in the present. What is the difference between may and might to indicate a present possibility? May shows very strong possibility. Like as I said, there are dark clouds in the sky. It may rain anytime. There is a strong possibility. These dark clouds may rain down anytime. However, might shows a weak or distant possibility. For instance, the patient is not doing well, so he might stay in the hospital for a long time. If you were not studying sincerely, you might be unsuccessful in your examination. Might is showing a weak or remote possibility. There is a distant likelihood. So this is the difference between may and might when it comes to the expression of possibility. So we understand that might is used basically as the past tense of may, and might also shows a weak or remote possibility of an incident in the present. Well, that's it for today. In my next video, I will be taking up the other modals and their uses. I hope you have benefited from this video. Please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.